Don't scroll, come closer, because today I'll be putting you through on how to stay at the top of your category for free with Newsfeed. So the very first step is to click on the link embedded in here. It will take you to a website that would help you remove the background of your product. You can download or copy the image, and the very next step is to click on create your design. This link right here would redirect you to a Canva website. You would use this template for a new design. When you get to the Canva website, you're expected to replace the image there with your new image, and of course you should use the image that you've removed the background already. Also, you can edit the size of the image, make it bigger or make it smaller. You can also edit the template of the banner that is already there, so you can make it suit the product you have put. You can see I'm trying to play around, change the color, see the one that matches the vibe of the wallet I have uploaded, and of course I decided to stick with the Jumia color orange. Obviously you don't have to stick to this design. When you're done, edit the text there to match what you are selling. You can customize according to your taste. You can also go ahead to edit the font, play around, just make sure your image looks good, after which you download it. Now you can go back to the email to send in your request. Remember, if you do not have this email in your inbox, feel free to send us a DM. I would send it right to you. Ensure you fill in your store name, email address, phone number, and the link to your store on Jumia. If you do not know how to get the link to your store on Jumia, don't worry, I got you. All you need to do is log into your vendor center, click on the products icon, go to manage products, after which you should click on any product that is live on your store. By the time you click on it, it takes you right to that product on the Jumia web page. Now that we're on the Jumia web page, if you scroll down, you would see your store name. So you click on seller information, and that takes you to your store. So all you need to do is copy the link and take it back to the form. So paste the link, type in the message you want to send to your followers, and then upload the design that you created on Canva, and voila, you are ready to go.